something like that. Intro. Hey guys, welcome to Stage Right Lighting's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you a new product that we have in our store. It's called the Entour Faze. This is the next in line of American DJ's Entour Atmospherics Series. Let's get started. This device is a hybrid between a normal fog machine and a haze generator, hence the name Faze. It's 450 watts and it uses patent-pending heat technology to get the device ready to go within 40 seconds of powering on. That's right, it only takes 40 seconds between powering this on and producing haze, phase, fog, haze, something like that. So the Entour Faze is capable of producing 1,000 cubic feet of haze per minute and only consuming 10 milliliters per minute. So with a 3-liter tank, that gives you a capability of 5 hours of continuous haze. And swapping out tanks is super easy. You just push this button right here. Ta-da. Slap a new one in. You're ready to go. It's got a dual bracket system for either hanging from the ceiling, or you can place it on one of ADJ's many stands they sell for hosting a fixture like this. If you do choose to hang this fixture from the ceiling, it also comes with a safety eye so you can attach a safety cable to it. So once you have your Entour Faze turned on, there are 3 methods of operation. First off, you can trigger Faze right here with this manual switch on the back. Secondly, you can use the included wired remote that has a 1/4-inch jack that plugs in right here. This remote also allows you to control the density of the haze which you're generating. Finally, you can plug it into a DMX controller, which it'll operate in either 1, 2, or 4-channel mode. In 1-channel mode, you're simply going to be controlling the output. In 2-channel mode, you'll be controlling both the output and the fan speed. In 4-channel mode, you'll be controlling the output, the fan speed, the duration of the haze effect, and the interval at which it will produce the haze. So once again, this is a super easy, very simple to use haze generator that you can use at small churches, venues. You can use it as a DJ. You can use it if you play in bands. Very easy to operate, very easy to clean. So please, come by and check it out sometime with us. Be sure to follow Stage Right Lighting on YouTube, check us out on Facebook, or visit our website and you can shop online with us. Thank you very much. I was doing my little Tom thing. All right.
I'm going to leave all that part in.
Yeah!
Sorry, clips of this setup that I can't.
Okay.
I told him.